Good morning, this is Umair Hamid, and today is Saturday, the 10th of November. I was been out from a long time. Why I'm speaking in English is like I made 2 or 3 vlogs in my own language, but it appears to be that I find them as same as I am doing it in English. So I thought let's continue with English so that I can have a lot of more audience who can see my vlogs. And it's not all about like people just see my vlogs, I have more subscribers, more viewers or anything. It's just like I want to show people around the world what I'm doing and what's going around on this part of the world. So that was my whole purpose of making vlogs. So today I am going to show you the mall that we have here. A new portion has been built up in that mall. That's kind of a biggest shopping mall here in Jönköping where I'm living. So I'm going there and let's see if I find something good for myself to buy, and let me take you there. So see you in a bit. So I'm here and let me show you around. So this is a shopping mall which is one of the biggest shopping mall here in Jönköping, and I am going to see what I can buy. There's a lot of people because of Saturday, so let's explore a little bit. The thing is, I don't find anything for myself here, and there's lots and lots of people. Unfortunately, none of my friends came along with me, and I don't know what to do, but I'm just being here because after a long time I see a lot of people, and it's really crazy right now because I've never seen so many people. So I will stay here for a while and see if because I'm hungry and I need to eat something. So I hope I find something nice for myself, and let's see what's gonna happen. And I'm gonna show you some drone shots that I made, and then I'm gonna put it on. So today I made this vlog from my phone, which is Samsung S9 Plus, and I tried to explore a new thing, that how I can make a vlog from my cell phone, because people say you cannot make a vlog from your cell phone, but I did. But this thing is with the gimbal, that I'm using a gimbal, and I hope you guys like my vlog, and if there's anything that I need to improve, there's a lot of things that I do need to improve, but that you think that that should be improved, just do let me know, put it in the comments, and follow me in my Instagram on my regular things that I do on daily basis or weekly basis. So hope to see you next time, and until then, Umair Hamid signing off. Bye.